what is the unique theme or concept about this restaurant, 1-8?
Unique concept, as you have seen the interiors, we go towards more boho vibe, right? And you have seen the outlet. How did you like it? You tell me that.
It is
You like it,
stunning.
yeah?
Yeah, it's
Absolutely
good.
stunning. So we have different sections here. So as Virat's massive fan following, it's from a kid to youngster to elders. We have different sections here. High energy zone to proper dine-in to outdoor as well. So we have 3 different sections here, and we have like this is 190 seater restaurant.
Okay. Virat has cult following in Hyderabad, so you may be knowing it. And also, what are the special dishes that Virat favorites are added?
Yeah, Virat's favorite menu. I mean, it's everywhere, like pan India, all our restaurants. Favorite is mushroom dim sum. That's what he likes to eat. Super fruit salad. That's what he likes. He likes avocado tartar, avocado flatbread. Basically, he's a vegetarian, so he likes all the vegetarian dishes. Mostly, this is in his favorite menu, which we already have in our menu.
Okay. So, are you following any eco-friendly measures to think?
I mean, we are trying whatever we can. You know how usually everyone is trying to have eco-friendly these days, and we're doing that a bit.
Okay. So, what is one special dish that Hyderabad is first? You have already mentioned about biryani.
Yeah,
Other than that,
I like soya ali,
okay.
a vegetarian.
Okay. So, it's open for everyone, but whatever the pricing and all.
Yeah, price point it's everyone. It's the APC we have. It's 1800, so it's not that expensive. It's not that cheap as well. So it caters to everyone.
Okay. In different parts of the country also got huge response. How-
See, the response is the love, the people showing. We already in 5 different cities. This one is the 6th one and the 9th outlet. And this year we already plan to have 4 more launches because fit out is going on. Back-to-back launches we have planned from next month till December in Mumbai, Delhi NCR, Indore, Jaipur, and even in Hyderabad. I love the city. I liked it so much, and people are so nice, so humble. I've already seen a spot in Financial District.
Okay.
Maybe the next 1-8 commune within 6 to 8 months, we'll see it over there.
Okay, another one in Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Cool. So, can you explain about the menu and what are the dishes available?
See, menu, we kept it global menu, and the offering is like that because global, I would tell you in detail that it includes Italian as well, Pan-Asian, Indian. And why is that? Because Virat's fan following is like that. Like, he has massive fan following. So we wanted to cater all age group, all religion, and go-to dishes. I would say again, mushroom googly dim sum is my go-to favorite. Avocado tartar, soya halim, particularly for Hyderabad, and many more dishes. You should come and try.
Okay. So, Virat has come here and did he
Yeah,
taste
yes.
anything?
Yeah. He's actively involved in the process. You know how he is, how competitive his nature is, and whatever he tries, he tells us genuinely that what we need to do, whether he really likes it or not, and his favorite menu, like his section, his menu in our menu section, that what he liked, and that's why we put it in there.
How's the food here?
You have to taste it and you have to decide for yourself. I would say it's amazing. You have to decide for yourself.
Have you tasted?
But
Have you tasted the food?
yes, absolutely. Yeah.
So,
ఇక్కడ
ఇక్కడ అన్నం తిన్నా బాగున్నారా మీరు బాగున్నారా
చాలా బాగున్నా.
so yeah, I mean, I'm kind of a very multi-dimensional person. Recently completed my MBA in tourism and hospitality. I'm a civil engineer. My father is an IS officer. But then one thing is very clear for me, that I'm an artist and I have to get into that zone which is waiting for me. And somewhere there, Virat really connects to me. So if this Virat is watching this, I'm here for you, darling. I love you so much. I am you.
One community is already in different parts of the country, so now it is in Hyderabad. So it has come to Hyderabad. How is it?
Hyderabad, the city. I mean, especially the first outlet we opened in South is in Bangalore, right?
Yes.
The reception we got there, and after that, I thought that the love we are getting towards South, we should go to Hyderabad as well. And even here, the reception we getting, you can already see, right? Everyone is coming, who's a who, and Virat came himself. He got RCB team few days back, right? He loved the place and loved the food, vibe.
Forward to this night for a very long time, and I'm glad to be here.
Okay. That's very fun, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So how is the place and how is the ambience over here?
It's beautiful, it's giving me bohemian vibes, and it's the essence of what One Eight Community is all about. And I'm glad to be here for the launch of One Eight Community Hyderabad.
What do you want to explore in the menu?
What do I want to explore? The starters. I've learned a lot about Virat's favorite starters, and I would love to explore that.
Okay, thank you. What is the experience?
Hi, my experience at this place is actually amazing. It's Virat Kohli's One It Commune. The name in itself is enough. But the culinary experience, the lovely sultry cocktails, and the entire ambience, it's really amazing. And everybody in Hyderabad, they should come down. It's an amazing nightlife experience for everybody that Hyderabad is going to witness. So love it.
Okay, have you tasted a food? How was it?
Oh, I did. I just tried the Galauti kebab, and it's something you must try too. And you should also try the chole bhature here. It's a signature here.
Great
Yeah.
combination.
It is indeed. And of course, everything in non-veg is delectable.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
So how's the fit here?
So I think One Eight is really good. I think an amazing party place. I've been to Mumbai and Delhi and I'm loving Hyderabad. Really enjoying it.
Okay, have you explored completely?
I'm just getting into it, yeah.
Did you try anything now?
I'm just having this little light drink. I'm a teetotaler, but I think I love the food.